Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for those who are transitioning from CSGO to CS2, and we'll show you how to load your CSGO config into CS2 so you can quickly bring over your favorite settings and preferences. Before that, make sure if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures, and it'll keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate y'all for your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on a new CS2 journey with all of you on board. Okay, so loading your CSGO config in CS2 can be advantageous for several reasons. Number one, if you've spent a significant amount of time customizing your CSGO settings, including like key bindings, crosshair preferences, and audio settings, transferring your config to CS2 allows you to play into a familiar environment, right? Using your CSGO config ensures consistency in your gaming experience between the two games. It reduces the need to adjust settings manually each time you switch between CSGO and CS2. Customized key bindings can enhance your efficiency in CS2, and you won't need to relearn or adapt to different controls, which can be particularly helpful for muscle memory. And even if you fine-tune your CSGO graphics settings for better performance, visual aesthetics, and quality, loading your config in CS2 can help achieve similar optimizations without needing to reconfigure graphic options. And players often have specific crosshair preferences in CSGO, so transferring that settings to CS2 can help you maintain the same aiming style and accuracy. And even if you've adjusted audio settings in CSGO for better sound cues and footsteps awareness, using your config in CS2 ensures that you continue to benefit from these optimizations, right? Um, Also, for competitive players, maintaining the same settings in both games can be crucial for consistency, performance, and gameplay. So it eliminates the potential for differences in settings and affecting your competitive edge. Now, um, all you gotta do is go to your user data. Since I don't have um, actually a CS:GO, I just directly downloaded the CS2. If you have here the config, open it up and copy it to a new no save it on a new pad and hover down to where it's to the to Counter Strike and go to properties and installed files, and it'll load up to this program. And then once that, all you gotta do is save it into the CFG to your um CS2 folder, and that's it. Now, loading your CSGO config into CS2 is beneficial for preserving familiarity, consistency, and efficiency in your gaming experience. It ensures that your preferred settings and optimizations are carried over to a CS2, making the transition between the two games smoother and allowing you to focus on gameplay rather than extensive configuration adjustments. Even if this video is helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. And thank you to our sponsors and loyal subscribers who relentlessly share this link to their friends and family. You're making this small community bigger each and every day. Thank you, guys. See you.